Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, November 15. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter is reporting that the central bank remains active in the exchange market to ensure stability, even as he maintains that the Jamaican dollar is fairly valued. The local currency is currently trading against the US dollar at just over 129 Jamaican dollars. Since April, the dollar has depreciated by 5.9%, due mainly to a higher than expected depreciation in April and May.
Since then, the market has returned to more orderly trading patterns, with the last 3 weeks, in fact, reflecting a small appreciation in the Jamaican dollar against the US dollar.
Mr. Winter was speaking at the Bank of Jamaica's quarterly media briefing on Monday. He revealed that the bank sold $475 million to the market through its intervention during the first 6 months of the fiscal year.
We stand ready to sell foreign exchange to the market to meet any shortfall that threatens stability.
In the meantime, the BOJ is reporting that Jamaica's economic fundamentals are positive. The central bank governor says there was accelerated growth in real output in the September 2016 quarter compared to June. It represents the 7th consecutive quarterly expansion and reflected growth in all sectors, with the exception of producers of government services.
Over the medium term, growth will strengthen against the background of recovery in key industries and higher foreign and domestic investments.
The Bank of Jamaica is projecting the economy to grow by 1 to 2% at the end of the current fiscal year. As for inflation, the rate at the end of September was 1.9%, while the forecast for the end of the fiscal year is for headline inflation in the range of 4.5 to 6.5%. It should remain in that range over the next 4 quarters. Students and residents of Greater Brownstown and surrounding communities in eastern Kingston are now benefiting from a computer lab. The $4.6 million Community Access Point site was opened recently. It was outfitted with 20 state-of-the-art computers, printers, and air conditioning units. Internet access through the free Wi-Fi service will be provided by the government for 2 years. Technology Minister Dr. Andrew Wheatley says the facility is an investment in the community.
The establishment of this campsite will increase the sustainability of this community and, more than anything else, further enhance human capital by assisting school leavers, school dropouts, as well as residents seeking internet and documentation services in order to gain skills and employment.
The second phase of the Ministry of Labour and Social Security's Transportation Allowance Grant T.A.G. is to be implemented between December 2016 and June 2017. Portfolio Minister Shahini Robinson says the first phase of the pilot project was introduced to reduce non-compliance among students on the Program of Advancement through Health and Education path.
So it's not that children don't want to go to school why they become non-compliant, but it is the cost, the prohibitive transportation costs that come to be non-compliant. A budget of $30 million has been provided for the implementation. $6 million is to be expended monthly at an average of $3,000 per month per child. Therefore, 2,000 students will benefit as a result of this intervention.
The minister was speaking at the recent PATH Top Achievers Award ceremony. And finally, 16 former PATH recipients have been named Youth Ambassadors under an initiative to help reduce the effects of stigma and discrimination among beneficiaries.
The ambassadors will serve as speakers to motivate other PATH beneficiaries to stay in school and to develop pathways in life that will help them to rise above the challenges and achieve their goals, however lofty.
The young ambassadors will support 3,000 PATH beneficiaries in 30 schools across the island over the next 12 months. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thank you for watching.